Cleaning is the bane of everybody's life, including mine, and it's a question that we often get asked when we're speaking to a prospective client about who handles the cleaning fee. So there's multiple different ways of doing it, and the way that we do it is that we charge our guests a cleaning fee. It's completely transparent in their booking, so they'll see a line item for their rental stay, and then they see a line item for their cleaning fee, and that cleaning fee then goes directly to our cleaners and everything is sorted. There's another way that companies charge the cleaning fee, which is where they charge it to the owner, which is again a fine way of doing it, but it just means you as the owner are paying a commission fee, and on top of that you're paying a cleaning fee, which can get really expensive over the course of a year. Let's say you have a booking every single weekend of the year, you're paying £100 for the cleaning, that's £5,000 in addition to the commission that you're already paying. So the way that we do it, it means that everything is already included in there, which we personally think is a better way of doing it, and hopefully you as an owner would think so as well. There's a third way that people manage their cleaning fee, and that is where they integrate it into their nightly rate. So there isn't an additional cleaning fee on top of a guest stay, which is again a totally fine way of doing it. It's just not the most effective way for us as a managing company to handle it. So that is exactly why we do it the way that we do. We make it fully transparent to our guests, our owners, and hopefully everybody is happy with that solution. If you want to hear any more about how we handle our cleaning or anything else to do with our management services, please contact us at simplegetaway.com.